Hey, welcome back to Electrically Constructed. I'm Master Electrician Seth Eckel, and this is our fourth video of our pole box series. And in our last video, we covered the U-poles, and we also covered the poles going out the back of the box. And in this video, we're going to be covering splices inside the box. So, if you don't have a code book, I have a link below where you can purchase a code book. But if you have a code book, we're using the 2026 edition of the NEC. Let's get it out, and let's get going. Alright, so let's get our code books open and let's get to 314.28 A2, angle poles, U-poles, or splices. So we've gone over this a few times in the last couple of videos. We've done angle poles, we've done U-poles, now we are into splices. So the rule is still the same. I just wanted to give splices its own video, but we won't go over the rule too much. It's still the same rule. It's 6 times the largest trade size plus any other trade sizes entering that same wall in the same row. All right, so let's jump right into an example. All right, so I wanted to point out one of the bigger questionable things that happen with splices. So a lot of people will question, okay, if I have a straight pole but I have it spliced in the box, is it an 8-time multiplier or is it a 6-time multiplier? Well, because we have the splice in it, it becomes a 6-time multiplier. It is no longer a straight pole, it is a splice pole. So what we have here is we have a 3-inch raceway and we have 3 cables going through it. We know that that doesn't matter. All that matters is the size of the raceway. So the equation would be 3 times 6 equals 18. So the answer here is 18 inches. All right. Okay, let's go to one more example here. All right, so now we have 2 raceways on the same wall in the same row. So how will we go about this? Will we multiply by 8 or we multiply by 6? And then what other rules apply? Well, it's the same thing as angle poles and U-poles. So it is the largest trade size multiplied by 6 plus any other entryway in the same wall in the same row added to that. So here it is. Its biggest trade size is 3 inches. So we're going to go 3 times 6 plus 2. Let's see what we get here. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2 is 20. So our answer is 20 inches. That's it. That's that's how splices works. It's the same thing as our U-poles and our angle poles, which we went over a bunch in the last 2 videos. So I don't want to beat this to death, but yeah, if you want to review it some more, I'd go back to the last 2 videos, watch those again. We did a lot of calculations in those videos, but it's the same rules that apply here. All right. I want to give you this too. This is a little cheat sheet I put together. I was trying to put a PDF link on here, but I figured this is a little bit easier. You guys can just take a screenshot of it and save it for yourselves. Just a little breakdown of all the rules that we have for pole boxes. All right, and then in the next video, we are going to break out some blueprints. We're going to set some pole boxes, run some feeder pipes into them, and we're going to try to size our pole boxes. So we're going to apply the rules that we know now to some real world examples on a blueprint layout. So that'll be our next video. All right. Stay sharp. Never stop learning. God bless. Can't wait to see you in the next video.